Greetings from Alan AI. When you need to collect any data from the user, forms are the best. So no matter what your app does, provides a booking, food ordering, or any other e-commerce service, there will definitely be a form in your app. However, from the user's perspective, filling forms is always tedious, boring, and error-prone. In a mobile app, the compact size of devices just adds complexity. The screen is too small, the keyboard keys are too narrow to hit, and you typically use only your thumbs to type, which slows down the typing speed and form filling. An in-app voice assistant can easily eliminate the problem of manual data entry. Let's see how you can allow your users to fill forms with voice. First, we need an app with a form. So let's get the code for a form from the Flutter cookbook and then embed the Alan button to our app. To get more info on this, watch the first video in this playlist. The code we've copied exposes only one field. Let's make it 3 to see how we can capture and populate fields with different types of data. Let's assume we are building a form for the delivery app and need to get the user's name, address, and phone number. One more update here. For each field, we will register a text editing controller that will help us keep track of the field content. And we will connect these controllers to our fields. And finally, add some code to clean up controllers. Running the app to see the result. The app is ready, so we'll switch to the voice script in Alan Studio and start from here. We will add an intent to capture the user's name. Here, we will use the name predefined slot. When this intent is matched, we will send a command with the name data to the app and confirm that this info is obtained. And we'll do the same to capture the address. Here, we will use the location predefined slot. Let's test both of these intents in the debugging chat. With Alan AI, you can capture any type of data. Let's see how it works with the phone number. We will use a slot with a regular expression to pick out a specific digit combination. In the phone number case, we will need to get a value with 3 blocks of digits. And again, we will send a command with the captured value to the app and play a response to the user. Checking it. Now we'll switch to the app to handle our commands there. First, we will update the onCommand handler to call the handle command function when we get any command from the app. And we need to add the handle command function itself. On the getName command, we will update the name controller text with the name we have received from the voice script. And in a similar way, we will handle the getAddress and getPhone commands. My name is Jean Watson.
Thank you, Jean Watson.
My address is 12 Wilson Avenue.
We will deliver your order to 12 Wilson Avenue.
My phone number is 202-345-4455.
Your number is 202-345-4455. Thanks for sharing.
Next, we need to make sure the user doesn't leave out any fields and provides all the data needed. For that, we will leverage Alan's visual state. It will help us get the information about the current visual context of the app and pass it to the voice script. First, we will import the .convert library to our project. Next, we will add a new class with 3 fields to check the state of the name, address, and phone number fields in the app. And we will add the toJSON method to be able to present our object as JSON. Now we can create the current state object. All the fields of this object will be emptied first. To pass this object to our voice assistant, let's add the setVisuals function. With this function, we will encode the object to JSON and use the setVisualState client API method provided by Alan to send this JSON object to the voice script. Now let's get back to our handler. When we receive a command, we will update the corresponding object field, name, address, or number, and call the setVisuals function. Now we will do the same for other fields in the form. In the voice script, we will add the onVisualState callback to check how the visual state changes when we populate fields with voice. My name is Emma Watson.
Thank you, Emma Watson.
My address is 5 Ocean Drive.
We will deliver your order to 5 Ocean Drive.
My phone number is 312-456-3778.
Your number is 312-456-3778. Thanks for sharing.
And now we can add a new intent to submit the provided user's data. Here we will check if all fields are filled and either ask to add the missing data or thank the user for providing the information. Let's check it. My name is Emma.
Thank you, Emma.
Save my details.
Please provide all details.
Our form can be filled with voice, but since our app is multimodal, we should be able to work in both modes, through voice and touch. So we need to support the touch scenario and get the visual state when the user types anything in the fields. There are several ways to do it in Flutter. We will supply the onChanged callback to each field. Every time the user types anything in the field, we will update the visual state object sent to the script. A final check, we'll type 2 values, check what comes to alarm logs, and then try to submit our data. Save my details.
Please provide all details.
And now we will fill the remaining field with voice. My name is Amanda.
Thank you, Amanda.
Save my details.
Thank you.
Filling forms is no longer a boring task, is it? Enhance your user's experience with Alan AI and subscribe to our channel for more ideas on how to build an intelligent voice assistant for your app.